Hello friends, this video on determinant part 5 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 4. And using column also, we'll get the same answer. I'll do few column for you. So this is my matrix. So my first column is this. So I'm expanding using column 1. So I'll take the first element, this guy. Remove the other elements, gone. Second element I can select is this because this guy has 3 elements, so these elements are gone. And third element I select is this guy, and with this these elements are gone. Same formula, minus 1 to the power I plus j aij and this matrix. Add all. This is step 1, step 2, step 3. So let's add all what I got in step 1, 2 and 3. So let's see what I get in step 1. Step 1 I get minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 a11 and then this matrix, this guy a22, a23, this guy becomes a32 and this guy becomes a33. This guy is my first step output. For second step, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, A21. Correct? And then this matrix. This has value A12, A13. So let me write A12, A13. This guy has A32, A33. A32, A33. And in third step, same thing. Minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. A31 and then these values A12, A13, A22, A23. A23. So I've got this. I have to add this. So before adding, let's simplify this. So this becomes minus 1 to the power 2 is 1. So A11 into multiply diagonals A22, A33, subtract remaining numbers A23, A32. Correct? Multiply diagonals, subtract remaining numbers. In this case also, minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1 into A21 is minus A21. Same thing here. Multiply diagonals A12 into A33 minus the remaining part, that is A32, A13. Similarly here, minus 1 to the power 4 is 1, 1 into A31 is A31. Multiply diagonals A12 into A23 minus remaining part A22, A13. Let me add this. Determinant of A is nothing but same thing. I can use any other symbols. Is nothing but add all output. This is nothing but A11, this guy, the first one, into A22, A33 minus A23, A32. Correct? Plus this guy, so plus and minus become minus. A21 into A12, A33 minus A32, A13 plus the last guy A31 into A12, A23 minus A22, A13. Now to rearrange. Let's rearrange. Let's first find A11 first. So this guy has A11 first. So this is A11, A22, A33 minus A11, A23, A32. A11 part is done. Second is A12. So I have A12 here and I have A12 here. So let's take this A12 first. So this becomes minus A12 into A21 into A 3, 3. Let's take this 8, 1, 2, then this guy comes plus A12, A23, A31. Let's take the remaining one now, A13. So I have got 2 A13. So let's take this first. This becomes A13. So A13 minus become plus here. This is plus A13 into A21 to A32. This guy is also done. The last person left is this guy. So this becomes minus, plus into minus is minus. A13, A22 and A31. So you see, this is my value. Now if you compare this value with the value which we have got by expanding rows, this is exactly same. Correct? So what we have seen, we expand using rows or column, doesn't matter. You expand using first row, first column, second row, second column, third row, third term, doesn't matter. You expand using any row or any column, you get the same value. Similarly, for expanding using second column, what you can do is, you can select the second column and then you select the first element, remove the other elements. Select second elements, remove other elements, select third element and remove other elements. Use same formula, minus 1 to the power I plus j, aij, and this matrix. Add all this and you get the value. You'll get the same value. You can try this. Similarly for column 3, you can select this guy, column 3, select first element, remove other elements, select second element, remove other elements, select third element, remove other elements. So now each and every case, if you see, you're getting a determinant like this. Correct? This is 2 and this is 2. Now same formula here, minus 1 to the power I plus j, aij, and determinant. You add all these and you get the value. Now here are some tips for easier calculation. We can expand determinant along the row or column that has maximum zeros. So that will ease out the calculation. So which has the maximum 0, try to get the determinant along that row or column. Also, instead of writing this minus 1 to the power I plus j, what you can say is, you can find I plus j. It is odd, multiply by minus 1. If it is even, multiply by plus 1. So that makes life a little bit simpler, because minus 1 to the power I odd is minus 1 and minus 1 to the power even is. So instead of writing this guy, you can just say I plus j is odd, it is minus 1. And I plus j is, if it is even, then it is plus 1. Now let's take some. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.